What's up, guys? We're in the championship game, Tropics versus KMD. I don't remember the last time we played against these guys. It's actually been a minute. We've been playing against the Crossbars and we've been playing against the Phantoms. The lighting's all messed up. I think the last time we played KMD, I also missed a couple games, but the last time I played against KMD, I played as player. KMD is probably the closest team to beating us. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like on the video if you guys like it on your way out. Anyways, I'm gonna do the best I can in the crease. I'm actually doing this intro out in the ice. Yeah, so hoping for a good game, good solid turnout. I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna stay tight in the net, keep it simple, and yeah, we'll see you guys out in the ice.
A little poke for me real quick, just poke it out.
Yeah, that's
score to make it 1-0. 5 minutes and 20 seconds left in the first period. We just scored again and make it 2-0. 4 minutes and 48 seconds left in the first period. We just scored to make it 3-1. 15 minutes left in the second period. Just scored to make it 4-2. 4 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second period.
I thought for sure you were playing. I'm gonna try. I had everybody. It's 5-2 with 14 minutes left in the third period. We just scored at 6-2, 8 minutes left in the third period. Just scored to make it 7-2 with 2 minutes left in the third period. Congratulations. Congratulations. This is a video game style right there. Thanks, Joe. That's good.
Yeah, jet ski. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who wants it?
Alex.
Some DP style.
Rustin. Let's fucking see the Rustin.
Enjoy it.
Oh my god.
I hope it was filming. Oh man. I was filming that. I got that.
Man, there was definitely a banana peel there.
Yeah.
Longer. The fucking player of the game.
Oh.
Should we get the Beer League Thunder videos going again?
Yeah, we should. That's what I've been saying that for like 2 years.
Anyone know how to edit?
I'll edit your videos.
Like 15 there. Fucking drop it.
Wait, what am I doing?
Come on, Jeff. You ready?
Yeah, get your act together.
Drop it. And the store.
All kids in the front, sit down.
Everyone sit. A picture of the camera.
Alright, sick.
Jeez, boys. Thanks, Brian.
No, I'm good.